There's truly no better way to go on an outdoor adventure than in an all-terrain vehicle. Whether you're out with friends for some fun, or you're an ATV rental firm, keeping your ATV or four-wheeler secure is top of mind. With ATV thefts on the rise, having a GPS tracker installed can give you peace of mind, as well as the ability to see where your vehicle is at all times. Each year, roughly 25,000 ATVs are stolen, a figure that's rising rapidly as ATV sales boom and four-wheelers are increasingly in demand. While most ATV thefts are reported to occur in July and August, it really is an all-year-round concern. ATV thieves are notorious for being able to cover their tracks, which is why most four-wheelers that get stolen are sadly never recovered. Many experts and law enforcement agencies agree the best way to safeguard yourself from theft is to equip your all-terrain vehicle with a real-time GPS tracker. Aside from being a major deterrent, GPS tracking devices give you the ability to see where your quad is 24/7, 365 days a year. So if you own an ATV and want to quickly and easily beef up your security, check out the link in the description to learn more about GPS trackers for quads, Yamaha Raptor, Polaris Sportsman, Honda Rancher, or any other ATV.